You know what time it is? It's time for some new noise. What's up? It's Gabby Diaz and we are back with another episode, and these are some of the artists that I am listening to right now. This first guy, I actually got hit up on Twitter by one of our listeners, and they're like, you need to get familiar with this guy, Kirk. And I did a little research, and he was actually one of the contestants on The Voice. So let's get into it. This one's All I Know.
I just wanna take you home.
Now, you know me and my little R&B side and whatnot. I like to keep it sexy every now and then. This one is Tone Stith. It's called Sex Drive.
Sex drive. We gon' switch the vibe up a little to a different feel. You gon' take the wheel, do it with no hands, eat you like a meal.
And the last and not least, of course, I had to get one of the ladies on here. This one's Qveen Herby, and I love this vibe of this record. I'm such a sucker for these kind of sounds. This one is called Sade in the 90s. So you already know the drill. Let us know some artists that you want to hear on New Noise. You could always hit us up on the socials at It's Gabby Diaz, at Well949, or you could drop it in the comments. You know, drop it in the comments. Yeah? All right, tight. I'll see you on the next episode.